Hello guys. Last time we created this very simple CLI for Deno. Now today we want to publish this module to the Deno land because I think this is important. There's no much documentation about how to publish a module on Deno. So let's get started. First of all, we need to create um, a GitHub repository. Let's initialize Git here. Okay. Um, Now let me go to my GitHub GUI to publish this repository. Let me quickly add it. Okay, select the folder, repository. I'm gonna publish it. Test Deno CLI. Okay. Okay, that's great. So I'll just go back, git add git commit commit git push. Okay. Okay, once the code has been pushed to the GitHub, we're gonna go to github.com. Oops. Okay, now here I need to find the repository, CLI. Okay, seems like something went wrong. Let me go back. Says the current branch master has no upstream branch. Oh, okay. Just a minute. I need to publish it. Okay, let's try again. Let's see. Okay, so we've got it. Now I'm gonna go to node.land and modules, third party module. Publish a module. I'm gonna give it a name, test Deno CLI. I hope that name is available. Yep. Okay, we just need to copy that URL and go to the settings under webhook, add webhook. I need to put the URL here, change it to JSON. Don't need to put any secret here. Now I'll select this. Let me select individual events. I'll check this one and uncheck this one and add webhook. Okay, if I open this, go to the recent deliveries, open this one. Under response, we can see the webhook has been connected. If I go back here, okay, module has been successfully registered. So that's great, but the modules is still not available. We need to release we need to publish a release from GitHub in order to make this module publicly available. Let's go back, go to the code, go to releases, and create a new release. So it is better that you read all this stuff before you publish a release. So let's create a new tag v 0.0.1 alpha. It is mandatory that you understand the semantic versioning system so that you can publish your modules in a professional way. Let me create this, and we're gonna publish from the master. Initial release. This is a very simple Deno CLI. Okay, just publish the release. Okay, the release has been published. Now I'll go to the settings, back to the webhooks, open it, recent deliveries. Okay, we can see another delivery here. Let me open this, open response, and if I scroll to the right, I can see the status URL that is provided by Denoland. Now I can just open this URL and see what's the status. Okay, it says failed to clone git repository. Okay, now we've made a mistake. The repository is not public. I need to make the repository public. Let's just go to the general settings and change the visibility, change to public. I want to make this repository public. I understand, make it public. Okay, now let's make another release now, because I don't think Deno can synchronize that. Draft a new release, give it another version, v 0.0.2 alpha, create new tag. Let's say added some more features. Okay, and publish. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna go back to the settings, webhooks, recent deliveries, response, and we've got another URL. Check it. Okay, successful. That's great. So now I'm gonna go back to Denoland. Let me close this stuff and try to search. So what was the name? It's test Deno CLI. Test Deno CLI. I'm gonna go to the modules and we can see here it is. Okay, that's great. That's the repository 51 seconds ago. And we can see the documentation. Deno usually parses your code to generate the documentation. So it is important that you provide most of the comments while writing the code for better developer experience. That's how you publish a repository module to the Denoland. Okay, now let us try to install our CLI that we have just now published to the Deno land. Import that CLI here. Deno land /x /test underscore Deno underscore CLI. Oh yeah, there it is. /hello.js. Okay, we just need to copy that URL. Actually, let me resolve this so that we get a version. Yeah, that's the latest version. Now let me just copy that and from here, Deno install -a and -f. Put that URL here and press enter. Okay, the CLI has been installed. Let's check it. Okay, cool. Thank you very much. Leave the comments below and I hope you will like the video.